Yo, yo, yo. What's up, guys? It's Mal here from Lucky Roll. And today, I wanted to make this video to talk to you guys about groove, okay? What is groove and how to use it in your tracks and how you can use it also inadvertently for better mixes, okay? Okay, so what is groove, all right? So some people think that groove is just like, you adding swing to things and adding, making things a little more human. Like, that is groove for sure. That is how you add groove to like each individual element, right? Which we'll definitely talk about in the future, different techniques for doing that. But what the purpose of this video is to talk about groove as a whole and how it ties all the sounds in your song together, okay? Groove is like the conversation between the sounds, the call and response, the contrast in things. Everything's tied together, but you got to think about like the ebb and flow of each element that you add. And a lot of times what I actually like to do is solo different things in your track and like maybe bring them in like one by one and just see if like every addition is adding to the groove or if it's hurting the groove or if it's not adding anything. You know what I mean? And by doing this, you usually be able to tell if something is helping the groove or not. Okay, so I have this example right here in Ableton of a little groove we made. And yeah, so I want to show you guys a little bit of what I'm talking about. So if we go here in Ableton, and for example, so I just play the low end, right? Wait. Okay, so just in the low end, I have a few different things right here. We got the tom and this mallet hit. So that's just to kick in the bass. And then if we add the tom, you hear that it's going to fill in the space of that the bass doesn't have, right? So here we go. All right, you see how they are, the tom is only playing it right here, and it's letting the bass kind of breathe over here, right? And then we got this mallet that's just adding a little extra hit as well. Okay, that's just like a low perk that we have in there. But as you can see, they are all giving space, right, to each other. Okay, and then we go to the drums. Okay, so here are the drums that we have, right? Obviously, you got the clap. So we got this, the snare, and then we got some clap hits, right? Okay, and then we got this bongo right here, okay? So now that we got those, right? Then for the main lead sound would be this. Okay, so you see how that is not interfering with anything either? See how there's just a gap right there, and like that sound is literally just filling in that gap, okay? And then we got this like little Atmos plug. It's little, it's got a little more notes. right? And then we have like the basic cymbals and stuff, and like your shaker and whatnot, or like the closed hat right here. Okay, so everything together sounds like this. Okay, so as you can probably hear, like there is a conversation between the sounds, and the sounds are chosen to, call and respond. So it's important also to not sometimes have like too many hits of things, you know what I mean? Let things come in and then let something else come in, and then, you know what I'm saying? Have a flow and between the sounds and the sounds you pick, okay? So, I think you guys get the idea. Have the sounds that you pick, really talk to each other and see which ones are adding to the groove or might actually be hurting your groove. And this, in turn, will help your mix downs, because you will be giving everything in your track room to breathe and to really play whenever it plays. You know what I'm saying? So think about this next time you start writing music, okay? And in future videos, I'll talk about how you can actually add groove within each element and how to make the sounds groove on their own in a way. Okay, but I hope you guys like this video, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you want more of these videos coming soon. Thank you guys.